beautiful 2008 Carrera S with a factory Aerokit, but it's paint to sample tangerine orange, color that we all know from the 70s. It's hard to capture with the camera through photography, but it's stunning. It is not like a GT3 RS orange around the same period. I wish I had one of those to kind of show you the difference. This is definitely deeper, not as vibrant. It came with these Carrera Sport wheels, 19-inch, paint to match. Same thing with the Aerokit that was from the factory. But you guys see this interior. Look at this. Sport seats, painted vents, painted center console. This is all from the factory. This is all the window sticker. And it only has 18,000 miles. Stunning car, all original paint. Yeah, it's got the black headliner Alcantara. Very cool car. Good service history. Really, really well loved since day one. It's a 2-owner car. Love it. Absolutely love it.